Few days ago, I received an email for a sponsored video on my channel, and the sponsor was ready to pay $1,000 and above. Unfortunately, this was a scam, and it ended up with me installing a ransomware on my computer, which led me to lose complete control over the data on my PC. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my experience and the mistake I did, so that you watching me shouldn't fall into the same mistake in the future in your journey as a YouTuber. Using YouTube AdSense as your main source of revenue as a YouTuber is not always an easy thing, especially when you are a small YouTuber like me. So what we do is that we mostly depend on promotional videos, and sponsored video are our best option to make money from our YouTube video. So this video is going to be divided into two parts. The first part, I'm going to share with you my personal experience of what happened to me days ago. And in part 2, I'm going to share with you 3 tips I learned from the error I made, so as you shouldn't commit the same mistake I did with this person. Welcome to my PC. Now let me show you what exactly happened for the scam. Now you can see this is my mailbox. I have created a folder of scam alert. That is, there were 3 of them. Here's the email. I will disclose them so that they named themselves like Operation Colinda Craftwork, and he said, "Hello, I'm Colinda Craftwork. We would like to offer, we are willing to pay $1,000. So this is where I was actually freaking out, that $1,000 for a 30-second video. And he said in the beginning of the video, if you think it's not enough, you can offer us another amount. So he even gave me the ability to increase the price. I was like, money? Okay. So after that being said, I replied I was interested. Now let us get into the real subject matter. And this is what he replied. He said, "I am glad He gave me the link of the promotional video. So he gave me a mega link and a Dropbox. So if you click on this Dropbox link, I'm just going to click for it. So see what will happen. You're going to download it. So you can see it's a zip file and it's 4 megabytes. So let us go ahead and download it. If you see, he said your password you entered for the iFile is cipher. Now the instruction: install the archive, unzip your password, watch the promo video and read the contract. Now let me go and show you what is very, very suspicious about this file. If you go to my picture folder, okay, this is it. Open it. So here we're going to be very, very precautious. We won't click on anything. So I'm going to extract it, and I'm going to paste it and click on the OK. Okay, so remember that it's 4.7 megabyte. Now let us open the file. So you can see in here we have 2 files. We have the Colinda Craftwork, this is the video, and you have to be very, very special. You have to click on the properties and see what you see. You see this file is MP4. But the feature thing is about this Word document. If you click on it, you will see it's 401 megabyte. Check at the properties. Please be very cautious with properties, and you will see it is an SRC file. If you play this video, you will see. So this company is actually a legit company, but these people are using their names to fool people around. So remember, our WinRAR file is 4.7 megabyte, but this file is up to 401 file. And the freaking thing about this, if you go on Google, search for SRC, so SRC file type, okay, and you come what they say, is it a virus? See what you're going to get. So yeah, you're going to see this at SRC is the name of a new variant of the military ransomware. It's a name. So due to it, opening a SRC exception to file after their institution files are locked with both IS 428-bit with RSA 2048-bit military grade encryption algorithm. So you can see it's a ransomware. So SRC ransomware virus deliver with. So they're going to block you and they'll ask you to pay a ransom. If I click on this file, my computer is done for good, so I'll lose everything. But the video, as far as you see the thumbnail, the video is legit. Before continuing, if it's your first time on this channel, kindly click on that subscribe button, hit on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever a video is released on this channel. Let us go to the second part. I'm going to be sharing with you what I learned during this period, the mistake I did. Tip number 1 for my mistake is that I will say money shouldn't move you, because the main mistake I did was that what I was considered it was money. So money shouldn't be your first goal when it comes to review videos. So what you should keep in mind is that when a company contacts you for a review video, you are feeling like they have seen my channel. So what should drive you is that the product you are reviewing, is a product okay for your audience, and would it be welcomed by your audience? It's true, every review video always has a reward. Either they will pay you cash, or they will pay you instrumentally, or you even do what they call affiliated marketing. Tip number 2, Make sure the sponsored email sent to you always contain links of the sponsor. That is links that you can use to maybe verify what they do. If you saw a product, they'll always send you a link of the product such that you can go to their webpage and kind of look up what they are in. Each time you receive an email for a sponsored video, it should contain links, maybe referring you to what they are doing, their website, their Google page, their Facebook account. So make sure you know what they do. Number 3 is that don't open links or files that look suspicious. And the best thing to do is that to actually be in the right place, make sure you use an updated browser. For example, you can use Chrome 100 or Chrome 101, the latest version of the browser, shows that each time you click on a link, they're going to tell you that the link is not safe. Another thing is that when it comes to file, make sure you have a good antivirus. My base, I usually use Windows Defender as my main antivirus. Like you saw, it was unable to detect the ransomware. So make sure you have a good antivirus. For example, I'm going to leave links of antiviruses that you can buy and purchase, because buying antivirus is the best thing you can do. Don't go on website looking for crack antiviruses. Buy the paid version. Paid security is better than free security. So with that said, I think we can end here for today. And please, if you think there's anything you can add up to what I said in this video, the comment section is very, very free. You can hit the comment there and we are all going to learn from your idea. Meet me in this video to know how much worth is your data to advertisers. And you can also meet me in this video that the YouTube algorithm thinks it will be better for you to watch. Thanks for watching. It was Fabrice from IQcodec.